Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of July. So real quick, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be a variety of things like clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, whatever you want. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free. You try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because I was offered the Style Pass a couple years ago, and so each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me for the year. For this box, I did ask for some summer clothing because I'm a teacher and I'm currently on summer break, and so I'm looking for shorts and tank tops and things like that that I don't normally get to wear at school. So let's get into this box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, it looks like this. I've got my package, I've got my paperwork. Inside you have your prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to make any exchanges or to send back anything that you don't want to keep. What I love about Stitch Fix is that shipping is free both ways. Very convenient. You're going to have your envelope, and inside your envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 35 for me. And you're also going to have your Oh Hello card, and this is your note from your stylist, and it also gives you suggestions for how to style the items that are in your box. So I'm going to read my note real quick. Hey Jennifer, June is almost over and the official start to summer begins soon. With school out, hopefully this month has brought its own sunshine and beauty to you and your family. Do you have any summer plans? Yes, we're going to be going to the beach in Florida real soon. I'd love to hear so I can continue to add fresh styles to your closet. Woohoo, you grab styles I thought you'd love. Yeah, so for this fix, I did get the fix preview, and I did select 5 items this time. In that preview, she had put 10 items that I liked all of them, so I had a hard time deciding. Thank you for your constant feedback to help me expand your wardrobe and styling. The maxi dress was definitely a cut I thought you'd like, but I thought the pattern might be a little outside the box. So I appreciate your feedback, and the same with the sandals. Yeah, the maxi dress and the sandals were two items that I told her I kind of liked, but there were some things that I didn't like the pattern of the maxi dress, and I don't like slip-on sandals. I'll make sure they have a strap or toe thong to be secure on your foot. You nailed it. I added the mint and purple pleated blouse to partner with the lovely purple capris. It's a fun play with colors and adds variety and colors to your closet. Best, Kara. And Kara's been my stylist the whole time, and I'm thrilled with how she does. Also inside the box, they're still promoting their Shop Your category. I've used that a couple times. And here is what my bundle looks like. And I know that this is capris, shorts, a tank top that I think will go with the shorts. I just like this shirt because it had pretty flutter sleeves, and I like the color. And I think this blouse is the one that she's talking about that goes with the purple capris. So let's get into it. So right on top, I have the Fun to Fun Angie pleated blouse in light green. And it's a real lightweight blouse. It has some pleating down the front, and it does have a keyhole right here, but I don't know if it'll be able to be visible when you wear it. There's a button at the top. It's got a light kind of lavender and like a medium purple print. It's very sheer. I feel like it's probably just a polyester top, and it has like a rounded bottom, so that's really cute. Can't wait to try that on. Next is also by Fun to Fun. It is the airy flutter sleeve blouse in dark pink. And so it's a little darker than I thought it was going to be, but it's a really pretty kind of like, almost like a mauve-y pink. They describe it as dark pink, but it's got this, I guess that's like a floral print, a white floral print. It's got a V-neck right there. And it has the really pretty little flutter sleeves, so I thought that was really cute. Feels like another polyester top, really cute. I'll pair that with some jeans. Next is by Raiin. It is the Dianna embroidered knit tank, and it says it's in white, but it kind of looks like an off-white. So it has this embroidery on the front. I think that's really pretty. The rest of the tank top is very stretchy and soft. So yeah, that's really cute. I think that's gonna pair really well with the shorts that I'm getting ready to show you. That's really pretty. And I'm hoping these shorts will work. They are by Market and Spruce. The Elicia 7-inch embroidered short in green. And so they're just, I usually like a 7-inch or longer inseam, but I told her I'd be willing to try a 5-inch as well. I've never really worn 5-inch inseam, but I would try it. I have really long legs, so I just don't want it to look too short. But this has like a kind of a, almost like a Kelly green pinstripe to it. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. This is a little fake pocket right here. The pockets on the front are real, and the pockets in the back are fake because they're sewn shut. So hopefully those will fit and will look nice with that tank top. And then lastly, I have Cut from the Cloth, the Cassandra split hem capri skinny jean in purple. And I just like vibrant colors, and so these purple capris, when I saw them in the fixed preview, I thought, ooh, that's a really pretty color. So they're just a basic capri pant. They're not rolled. They do have a slit on the side, so I don't know that you would be able to roll them if you wanted them shorter, but they have pockets in the front. They're really soft and stretchy. I like the feeling of them. And they do have working pockets in the back, so I'm going to pair that with that mint and purple top, and we'll see how that looks together. I do have a Shop Your Looks item that I want to show you. So I had like 5 people sign up using my referral link, and that gave me quite a bit of credit. There was this halter top that I was seeing in my Shop Your Looks that for some reason the colors just drew me in, and I'm a sucker for floral print, and I've seen it on some other videos. It is the Papermoon Samala halter knit top in mint. Now it's not as much a light mint like I would have thought when they say mint, but it looks like this. And so I really love the coral color, and when I saw it in the Shop Your Looks, they had it paired with a pair of yellow pants, and I do have a pair of yellow pants, so I thought that would be really pretty together. I'm not always a huge fan of the halter style because I'm not a fan of wearing strapless bras, but I am getting a little more comfortable with that. So it has that really pretty floral print. It's got a soft, almost like a brushed knit feeling. It does have a keyhole with a button at the top in the back. I'm a little worried about the length of it because it does look a little short, but only one way to find that out, and it's to try it on. So I'm gonna go do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with the first item, and this is one of the Fun to Fun tops. This is the Fun to Fun Ari Flutter sleeve blouse in dark pink, and it feels like a polyester top. It has the little V-neck. Like I said, it looks like it's got like a line down the front. It blends in with the pattern though. It has these really cute flutter sleeves. I like the V-neck here. It fits good under the arms. Comes down long enough. It is a touch longer in the back. And like I said, it feels like polyester. I think this would pair well with some white denim, maybe some white shorts. So yeah, I think I like the color, and it's just a cute basic top. What do you guys think? Next, I'm gonna try on the capris and the mint top. Be right back. I'm back with the next 2 items. On top, I have the Fun to Fun Angie pleated blouse in light green. On the bottom, I have the Cut from the Cloth Cassandra split hem capri in purple. So I really like the colors in this top. Like I said, it has this button. Now I tried to put this on without undoing the button, and I could, but it was a little bit tight. So it gives you this like little opening right here, but you really can't see it. You've got the pleat right here. Get up close so you can see the floral print. It's got like lavender, dark purple, some cream in there. It's definitely a polyester shirt. It comes down long enough. It comes down a little bit longer in the back. I like that it covers my bottom, which is good. And I think it pairs well with these capris. I'm going to go down a little bit so you can see them. So these capris have that little slit on the side. They hit at a good length for me, I feel like, for a capri. I don't like real short capris, like right underneath the knee. I like them to be down a little bit longer. You know, these aren't the exact same purples, but I think the two of them pair well together. You guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna try on the next outfit and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the last two items from my box, and on top I have the Raiin Dianna embroidered net tank in white, and on the bottom I have the Market and Spruce Elicia 7-inch embroidered short in green. And so it has this really pretty embroidery up here on the top. I do have like a nude cami underneath here. You'd want to wear something, because I think if you wore anything kind of dark, it might show through. But you really can't see the cami too bad underneath. Very stretchy. It has this cute little kind of split right here at the top. Very soft and comfortable. It does come down a little bit longer, not much, but a little bit in the back. And so here are the shorts. Now I don't front tuck anything, but I mean, I guess you could if you like to do that. The shorts are very stretchy. They are a longer length. They have that cute little pinstripe, and I do think the two of these together actually pair well together. You guys tell me what you think. They are almost, I don't think I need to size down, but they are super stretchy, so just something to keep in mind if you look at these shorts. But all right, I'm gonna try on the Shop Your Looks halter top, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with the Shop Your Looks item, and this is a halter top by Papermoon. I think it's like the Samala knit halter top in mint. So it's got this halter style, so I do have a strapless bra on. It seems to fit pretty good under the arms. Very soft, very stretchy, very comfortable. I think it's going to pair well with lots of different things. I've got it on with my jeans right now. I think it looks cute. It's slightly longer in the back, but enough to where I feel comfortable. And I'll get up close so you can see the print. It's got like coral and like some kind of orangey yellow, and then a lighter yellow, and then the mint background. So I think it's really comfortable, and I do think I'm going to keep this. What do you guys think? All right, I'll be right back to do a recap. All right, guys, let's do a recap and talk about some of these prices. And my stylist has done another fantastic job. She always does a wonderful job. So first off, we had the Raiin, the Dianna embroidered knit tank in white, and it was $54. And it fits well, and I think it looks good with those shorts, so I think that might be a keeper. Next was the purple cut from the Kloth Cassandra split hem capri. Of course, they are the most expensive item at $78, but they feel great and they're comfortable, and so I think I'm going to be keeping those. Next was one of the Fun to Fun blouses. This one's 100% polyester. It was the Angie pleated blouse in light green, and it's the cheapest item at $38, and I think it paired well, even though the purples aren't exactly the same. And then the second Fun to Fun blouse was the Ari Flutter sleeve blouse in dark pink. This one is polyester, but it has a touch of spandex in it, so that gives it a little bit of a different feeling, and it is $40, and I love the little flutter sleeve detail. And then I have the Market and Spruce, the Elicia 7-inch embroidered short in green. They're size 10, and they were $58. You know, these aren't shorts that I wear all the time, but they would be a nice dress-up short to go out to dinner or something like that. And I think they went well with that little white Raiin tank. So, and like I said, they're $58. So my stylist pick subtotal was $268. To buy all discount is 25%, which takes off $67. That gives me an order subtotal of $201. But I had those 5 people sign up with my $50 referral link, so I was able to get this for free, but I'm also going to be able to get the entire box for free. So the $201 isn't going to cost me anything. All right, guys, tell me what you think. Did you like all of my items? What did you think about the shorts? That's the one item that I was kind of like, I'm not sure, because I think it's because I don't wear shorts like that a lot. So tell me what you thought about the shorts with the tank top. And I'm going to leave that $50 referral link in the description box below. Remember, this is for first-time Stitch Fix users. It is good for women and for men. And so that $50 link would waive your styling fee, but it also gives you $50 towards anything that you decide to keep in your first box. And I think that's a great deal to get $50 worth of free clothing. And if you use it, then I get $50 in credit as well. So I appreciate all of you guys who have used my referral link. It is greatly appreciated. Like I said, let me know what you think, and until next time, bye guys.